Okay, morning girls. Today we are continue to our lesson number 2, which is 1.2 arc length of a circle. So today we are going to learn about how to determine arc length, radius, and angle subtended in the center of a circle, and then determine perimeter of a segment, and lastly we solve the problem involving arc length. So if we are given a circle with the radius r and the angle is theta, so we try to recall now. If you are asked to find the circumference of the circle here, the circumference, so the circumference will be 2 pi r. Okay, now if we are asked to find the arc length from A to B, let's say this is the arc length, which is S, and this is a symbol given in your formula 2. So the arc length here, S, will be, since this is part of the 360, which will be theta over 360 times with the circumference. Okay, so try to recall whatever you have learned in lower form previously. Okay, now since we want to use the radians, so try to recall again. 2 pi will be equals to 360. Okay, so 1 whole turn will be equals to 360 in a circle, so it is equals to 2 pi. This is the radians and this is in degrees. So S will be equals to theta over this 360 will become 2 pi. Okay, substitute 360 is 2 pi, and this one times with 2 pi r. Then we may cancel, simplify this 2 pi and 2 pi. So we will get that S is actually equals to r theta. Okay, so this is a formula of the arc length of a circle. Okay, so S is referring to the arc length and R is referring to the radius, and theta is referring to the angle, and it is in the radians unit. Okay, we are going to solve the problem now. Number 1, find the arc length. Arc length here means S. Okay, so we have learned one symbol now. Okay, number 1, we are going to find what is the S. With the formula, S equals to r theta, and theta is in radian. Make sure you change to radian if it is not given in radian. Okay, now we want to find the arc length of MN with pi 3.142. So here I will try to show you the the first one. So from here the theta is 1.1 already in radian, then it becomes very easy, and the R is 12. So the formula is S equals to R theta 1.1. So we try to solve it. After multiplication, it will be 13.2. So since the radius is centimeter, so our answer also in centimeter. So we continue with question number 2. You are given the diagram here. So the diagram on the right shows a circle with center O. Okay, center O here. Given that the major this is major arc length EF. So major is from E to F, the longer path. So our S is 25. And the angle given, but the angle is here is different. So 1.28 284. Okay, so we are asked to find A, which is the radius of the circle. So radius I label here, which is R. So for question number 2A, we are asked to find the radius. Okay, so now we are given the S is 25. Okay, so what is the theta of this S? The theta is not 1.284. Okay, why? Because the theta of the S is over here. So our theta is here. So before finding the R, we need to find what is the theta here. Okay, so you are given 1.284. So what is the information we have is actually we have one whole turn, which is 2 pi. So for one whole turn, it is 2 pi. So 2 pi minus the 1.284. Okay, we will get the theta. So 2 pi is 2 times 3.142, so 1.284. Okay. After subtraction, we will obtain it is 6.284, so minus 1.284, we will get 5. Okay, so this is the angle here. Okay, 5 radians. Okay, so the theta is 5 radians here. So now we use the formula, which is S equals to R theta. So S is 25, R is what we are going to find. So theta is 5 radian. Okay, so very easy now. We just change the subject as R. So 25 over 5. So R is 5 centimeter, since 25 is also in centimeter. Okay, now we look at B. Okay, B. The minor arc length EF. Minor. Okay, the keyword is minor arc length. Okay, so now what is the S here? Since we are asked to find this, so the S for the major one is 25. Now we want the minor one. Okay, what is the S for the minor one? Okay, so still the same formula, which is S equals to R theta. So what is the R? The R remain the same from here, which is 5 centimeter. Then the theta here will refer to the minor arc. Okay, since we are asked to find the minor arc length of EF, so the angle must be the minor one also, 1.284. So make sure you understand which part are we going to find. So it will becomes very easy. So S of the minor part is R theta 5 times 1.284. So the final answer will be 6.420 centimeter. Okay, we continue with exercise 1.3 now. For each of the following circles with center O, find the perimeter. So perimeter is the keyword of the shaded segment ABC. Okay, segment ABC is the green one, which is shaded here. So use pi equals to 3.142. So I will discuss D, question number D. But before this, you try to understand the question. The perimeter means we are finding the arc length of ABC, and we are finding the chord of AC here. Okay, so we add them up, we will get the answer. So question number A is very easy. You find the S and you find the AC. Okay, the thing is how to find the AC. We can use cosine rule. Okay, cosine rule. but make sure you convert 2.5 radians to the degree first. Okay, now I will discuss question number D with you. So look at question number D. So our perimeter here will be arc length of ABC plus the chord which is AC. Okay, straight line A to C. So this one is 15, no problem D. So our problem is how to find the arc length of ABC. Okay? So try to recall just now we have learned S equals to R theta. So R theta will give us the arc length of ABC. So what is the S here? So R will be OA, which is 9 cm. Okay, what we need actually is the theta. In order we can get S, we need the theta first. Okay, the theta. Okay, I label here. So how to get the theta? We can use cosine rule. Since we have the triangle here, any type of triangle. So this is our theta. This is 9 cm radius. OC also 9 cm. And from A to C, we have 15. So this is a triangle. So we try to recall. Okay. So now, how to get this theta? We will start with the partner. Partner of the theta is 15. Okay, the partner of the theta. So 15 squared equals to 9 squared plus this one, the bodyguards, both also the same. So minus 2 times 9 times 9 cos theta. Okay, so you can use your calculator now. This is I bring this part, this negative 2 times 9 times 9 over here. So 2 times 9 times 9 cos theta will be 9 squared plus 9 squared. Okay, this one will need to transfer over. So minus 15 squared. Okay, so this one 15 squared transfer over. So positive becomes negative now. Okay, then what we want is theta. So cos theta is the subject first before you find the solution. So 9 squared plus 9 squared minus 15 squared, all divided by 2 times 9 times 9. Okay, do it one shot using your calculator. So from here we will get 0.3889. Okay, if not mistaken, and this is negative. So when negative, we know it is more than 90. So now we find the inverse of cos. It will be arc cos. So use your calculator with shift cos with the figure here. You will get the theta. So theta will be 112.89 degrees. Okay, in degrees. Okay, now since our answer is in degrees, from degrees we need to convert to radius. Radian, sorry, radian. So we need to find 112 in radian now. Okay, 112.89. So times with 1 degree will be pi over 3 pi over 180. Okay, so try to recall 1 degree is equals to pi over 180 radians. So from here you will obtain 1.970 radians. Okay, so After getting the data in radians, we can substitute here to get the S. Okay, so the S will be R is 9. Okay, 9 times 1.970. So we will get the arc length now, which is 17.73 centimeter. So means that this is the arc length. Okay, 17.73. Okay, so the perimeter is what we are going to find. So this is 17.73, and the straight line of AC is 15. So finally our perimeter will be 17.73 plus 15. So we will get the final answer as 32.73 centimeter. Okay. So homework of our lesson 2 will be SE 1.2 and SE 1.3. Yeah? Okay, that's all for today's lesson. Thank you girls. Have a nice day. Bye bye.